So today we're going to start off with making this cute little Easter bunny, which you can use to decorate your homemade tree. All you need is the bunny template, and I will pop a link below or above depending on where you're watching, with the template, so you can just download that and print it off. Once you download the pattern for the bunny, all you need to do is cut it out of paper like I've already done here. When you have your bunny cut out, you want to get some fabric, and you need two pieces, one for the front of the bunny and one for the back. And if you don't have any fabric at home, have a look in your wardrobe if there's any clothes that you might be getting rid of. Obviously check with your mum first, and this is a great way to upcycle fabric. Then what you need to do is get your fabric and put right sides together. So put it down like that. Take your bunny pattern and get yourself a pencil or a marker, and you want to draw all around the pattern
onto the fabric.
Make sure on the bottom where I have it marked on the pattern that you leave that open, because that's where we're going to stuff the bunny. When you've done that, you just want to get yourself a needle and thread, and you're ready to start stitching. You may need to get your mom to help. What you want to do is sew a back stitch, and you want to keep your stitches really small, close together, because if you do a running stitch or do the stitches too big, when it comes to stuffing it, all the stuffing is going to pop out. Once you have it turned right side out, you want to get your